John Becker. I'm a partner in Seven Group. What we would like to talk about today is how site and habitat participate as elements within an integrative process. The fundamental idea behind all of this is actually pretty simple, and that is that humans are nature. Other folks like to talk about it in terms of humans being a part of as opposed to apart from nature. If in fact we are part of a larger whole and one of the species that is inhabiting this planet, we're not separate from that planet in any way. In fact, every other system that comprises the whole living system is interrelated in a way that perhaps the role of the human might not be a whole lot different than being a bee pollinating a flower. But most often what we hear is that there are 5 environmental imperatives that we're trying to address: potable water, climate change, pollutants and toxins, resource consumption or depletion, and habitat health. But interestingly, whenever I ask folks in a room to talk about those 5, which one do you think comes up first? Almost always. Well, almost without exception, climate change. That's the one that seems to get the most press. Usually right after that, there are 3 more that come in pretty rapid succession. More often these days, I'm hearing potable water climb the ladder closer to the top. And of course, pollutants and toxins and resource depletion. Without exception, though, in I would say several hundred workshops that I've done where this question was asked, without exception, habitat health is last. I began to think about that, and I started to wonder why that is. And I think perhaps it's because we generally do not think of habitat as integral. And one way to help unpack that is, let's just pick habitat as one of the 5 imperatives. And just for a minute, pause and see if there are any of the other 4 to which it doesn't have a deep relationship.